Hi guys, welcome to the English Smart Learner all together. Today we study about adverbs of frequency. It means the adverbs that we do activities most every day or sometimes that you do it. I can say that some activities that we do once or two times a week or three times a week that we call frequency or you can do every day. So let's go here. Adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency, we can use adverbs of frequency to say how often we do something. How often we do something. We do it every day or we just do it 1 hours, or for example you read a book every day or you just read a book 1 day in a week. This is the adverb frequency. So we can learn the adverb frequency through example here. This one, I always goes to the cinema at the weekend. So every weekend you always goes to the cinema. You want to relax, you want to enjoy your weekend because you work um, yeah, you work the whole week, I think, Monday to Friday. So at the weekend, it could be Saturday and Sunday. So you can relax, you can enjoy movie. And the second one, she usually has cereal for breakfast. Yeah, and normally in the morning, she always have the cereal for supporting her health. So this is the adverb frequency. They sometimes watch TV in the evenings. So sometimes mean that I can say that sometimes they watch in the evening, sometimes they watch the TV in the morning. We never go to museums. So this is mean not. I think never ever go. So never it mean negative way or not. You don't even go one time to museums. And here how to use them. Always means every time. So the word always means every time. For example, I always go to work at 7 o'clock. Every 7 o'clock you always leave from home and go to work. This is the always mean. And usually means most times. Not the same as usually always, but usually most times. Sometimes mean a small number of times. It means sometimes, yeah, sometimes you do, sometimes you do not. Never means no times. It means you never do it, you never experience in it. And here, example, we can learn through example. I think, yeah, we have more understanding through the example. She always practices the piano in the evenings every day. You see the word every day and always. And every evening, she always practices the piano. So always mean we have a very good punctuation and a very good time plan to do it. I mean you never miss in any evening or in any days. I mean from Monday to Sunday you do it a lot. You practice it. We usually go to the park on Sundays, most Sundays, not every Sunday. It could be I think 4 weeks for Sundays. At least you go 3 times. You go three, or yeah, this is the usually. Sorry, the next example. They sometimes make a cake just for special days. It means that sometimes you don't make the cakes every day. You not usually or always, but you just make it sometime in a special day, like you have the daughter or son birthday, your wife birthday, your husband birthday. So you just make it. Or sometimes you are hungry, you really want to eat, and then It could be 1 week, you can do 1 times or 2 times, it means sometimes. Or 1 month, you just do only 2 times. This is sometimes mean. He never forgets his homework. I mean no times. I mean he never ever forgot his homework. When he come back home, he always does the homework. So this is the good habits. I mean that even never here, I think never even it a negative, but it have the positive meaning that he do or he does the homework every day, never forget. So some adverb when we use with the positive verbs, it become positive, but sometimes it's the negative. So it depends on the verb's means. And here we usually put the adverb before the verb. This is the rule that we need to put adverb in front of the verb. You need to remember that the words that write first and the second words that write the last, it means the first word we have done written, writing is called first, okay, first, and here the second. So this is the front and this is the back, okay, here front and back. Example here, she always does her homework after school. I usually have cereal for breakfast. Okay, this is the adverb. It stands in front of the have. Always it stands in front of does. If the verb is to be, we put the adverb after the verb. So this is the case that we use the verb to be with the adverb. So we need to use the verb be before the adverb. They are usually on holiday in July. He is sometimes late for school. So is the to be and are is the to be. So we need to put it in the front of the usually or sometimes. To ask a question, use often or how often. So often and how often. So this is the adverb that we can make question. Look at here example. Does she play football often? Okay, often. How often do you play computer games? So it means that how many times or how many days that you play computer games in a week, in a month. So yeah, that's all. And look at here, this is the exercise. Okay, now let me do exercise all together. Look at here, okay, this is the verb, adverb, never, always, usually. Can we read the text all together here? The sentence, I do my homework after school every day. So what is the adverbs we should put? We use always, I mean most all the time. I mean yeah, every time. So we use I always do homework after school every day. And look at here, he goes swimming. He can't swim. So can't swim, I mean he don't know how to swim, he don't know how the way or never experience with it. So we can put never or sometimes or always. I think it's the negative form here, so we need to put never. And back here we have pizza for dinner just once a week. Okay, just once a week. So we use always, I think no. Why we think that no? Because just once a week, sometimes or usually. I think uh, um, just once a week. Uh, we sometimes have pizza for dinner. Just one week. I think we use the usually. Okay, and then if I am wrong, we can check out the answer altogether. I look at here, they watch TV in English, they love it. So we use never or sometimes or usually. They usually watch TV. I think this is the best answer one. Okay, click it. Go to the next question. Go to the next exercise. I talk to strangers. It's really bad idea. So you see here the bad idea. I mean negative that we need to put in. We put sometimes I talk to strangers. No. Always. No. So we need to take never. But yeah, I'm not sure it's correct yet. But we can check the answer altogether. And look at here, she, and this is never, always, and usually goes to the park on Sundays, every Sunday. So every Sunday, it means we can say that 1 month we have 4 Sundays. So every it means all the times. So we use the usually. I use sorry, not usually. I always go to the park on Sunday. Okay, here we get up at 7 o'clock every day except the weekend. So except the weekend, I think we use always or usually. I think this is the action. I think we take the usually. I usually get up. And here I have cereal for breakfast. I don't like it. So this is the negative, and here never. We have only word never that can express about negative form. I never have cereal for breakfast. I mean never ever. So can we check the question check the answer all together? Let's go. Oh, now total score is 7 out of 8. So we do wrong one exercise. And then if we want to see which one is the wrong, we can go and check the answer here. Okay, show feedback. I think show feedback. Oh, feedback is the result. Okay, so the answer here. Yeah, this one, I never have cereal for breakfast. That's correct one. We usually get up at, yeah, that's the correct one. She always goes to the park every Sunday. Yep. I never talk to stranger. That's correct. They usually watch TV. Yeah, usually, not sometimes, not never. And we sometimes have pizza for dinner. Sometimes. Oh, maybe I think it's wrong here. I usually have, or I always have pizza. Okay, sometimes. Sometimes is the correct answer for him. Maybe we can check out the videos again to see how wrong am I. Okay, he never goes swimming. That's the correct one. I always do my homework after school every day. So that's all about this exercise. So everyone, you can learn adverbs of frequency more through the internet. You can do a research, or you can look at to here. This is the practice console learning English kids, but it's not go deeply here, but you can learn more by yourself. You should have your self study. If you have any comment about this video, you can put your comment on the YouTube below, the comment below. Thanks you guys for watching this video. See you later.